Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and seeing that you made money while you slept. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it happens because that's the power of real estate investing. Hey everyone, welcome to Financial Rich Life. If you want to build wealth, create passive income, and achieve financial freedom through real estate, this video is for you. But here's the problem. Most beginners don't know where to start. Should you buy a rental? Flip houses? What about Airbnb or house hacking? Don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to get started with real estate investing. Even if you have zero experience, and trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end. Because I'm sharing the biggest mistakes beginners make that cost them thousands of dollars. Let's dive in. Why invest in real estate? All right, before we jump into how to invest, let's talk about why real estate is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools. Passive income. You make money every month through rental payment without actively working for it. Appreciation. Over time, real estate values increase. What you buy today for $200K could be worth $300K in 10 years. Tax benefits. Real estate offers huge tax advantages that can save you thousands of dollars every year. Leverage. Unlike stocks, you can buy real estate with other people's money, using loans to grow wealth faster. Now that you know why real estate is a smart investment, let's break down the different ways you can start. Types of real estate investing. There are many ways to invest in real estate, but here are the top 5 beginner-friendly strategies. 1. Rental properties. Buy and hold homes to rent out. You get steady cash flow every month. 2. Fix and flip. Buy a property, renovate it, and sell it for profit. Perfect if you love home makeovers. 3. House hacking. Live in one unit and rent out the rest. It's a great way to live for free while investing. Or REITs, real estate investment trusts. A hands-off way to invest in real estate, just like buying stocks. 5. Wholesaling. Find good deals and sell them to investors for quick profits without owning property yourself. So which strategy sounds right for you? Comment below. How to get started. All right, now let's break it down into 5 actionable steps so you can start investing in real estate even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Set clear goals. Ask yourself, do you want passive income or quick flips? Residential or commercial? Having a goal will guide your strategy. Step 2. Understand your budget financing. How much do you have for a down payment? Can you qualify for a mortgage? Consider FHA loans or house hacking to start with little money. Step 3. Learn about the market. Study local markets, check property prices, and analyze rent demand. Use Zillow, Redfin for research. Step 4. Network, build connections. Real estate is a people business. Connect with realtors, lenders, and experienced investors. Join Facebook groups or attend real estate meetups. Step 5. Start small, take action. You don't need millions to invest. Start with house hacking, a small rental, or even a REIT to get your foot in the door. Question for you. If you had $50,000 right now, what type of real estate investment would you start with? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know. I will reply to it. Common beginner mistakes. Before you rush out to buy a property, let's talk about the biggest mistakes new investors make. That can cost you thousands of dollars. Not doing enough research. Just because it looks nice is a huge mistake. Always check rental demand, property taxes, and neighborhood trends. Underestimating repair costs. Fixer-uppers can be great investments, but hidden repair costs can kill your profits. Always get a professional inspection. Over-leveraging, borrowing too much. Just because you can get a big loan doesn't mean you should. Always run the numbers to make sure you can cover mortgage payments. Ignoring property management. If you're renting out property, decide whether to manage it yourself or hire a property manager. Bad tenants can cost you big time. PRO tip. Before you buy, always ask yourself, would I live in this property? If the answer is no, think twice. Final tips and conclusion. All right, now you know exactly how to get started with real estate investing. But here's the deal. Knowledge alone isn't enough. You have to take action. So here's my challenge for you. Research 3 potential properties in your city today. Even if you're not ready to buy, practicing market analysis will make you a smarter investor. And if you want more tips like this, make sure to like this video to help more people see it. Subscribe to Financial Rich Life so you never miss future investing tips. Drop a comment below with your real estate question. I personally reply to every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.